is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding.
We are in the middle of a field trying to find some birds. He's I don't know, psycho trying to kill some birds with an airsoft gun. Right, Brandon? Okay, creepy. Anyway, I'm gonna hold this camera and try to shoot some birds. Brandon's ready. Can't find any, so that's why we gotta go in the woods over there. Right, Brandon? Okay, we're gonna go.
This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing.